This pizza on the left was cooked using gas, and this pizza right here on the right was cooked using wood. We're gonna take a test to see, can you taste the difference with a gas or a wood? That's gonna be the real test. Comment down below before the video starts. Are you team wood or are you team gas? Let's go. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's Pizza Guy John, and if you're seeing the title in today's video, I'm trying to see if there's really a big difference between gas and wood fired. Can you really taste the difference? Some people say you can, some people say you can't, but I'm gonna put it to the test and try to see if you can really taste the difference with a pizza being cooked in the gas oven or pizza being cooked using wood fired. I'm using my Gozney dome. I have it preheating right now with just propane with gas. Once we finish making the first pizza, then we'll switch it to making wood. We'll put the wood in there, get the wood going, then we'll make a second pizza with wood, and then we'll come to the end and taste it to see, can you really taste the difference? So comment down below right now, let me know what you think. Can you really tell the difference? Are you team gas or are you team wood? We're gonna put it to the test and find out to see if it's really true. Making simple pizza, just cheese pizza. I have my cheese, my sauce on my dough. Nothing different about that other than the type of fuel that we're using. So I'm not going to bore you with making the pizza. I'm going to make the pizza, then we'll get outside and get into the oven. All right, so we're going to go in with gas. As you can see, I got gas here going on the left-hand side. Take a look at the oven. We're looking at around 850 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and get this pizza launched in there. And again, this is the Gozney Dome. So if you're interested in this oven, I got some links down below for you to check out as well. It's the dual fuel. So of course, left-hand side, you're able to do propane. And then once you move some items around in the inside of the oven, then you can do gas or wood on the left-hand or the right-hand side. So we're gonna get this cooked. Now, the only thing that I will say about gas, it is easier to set up. With wood. Of course, you'll see here shortly what you have to do to get it doing. So if you're trying to cater to a lot of people, then gas may be the way to use. But again, that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to know whether or not there is a taste difference. But again, that's something you want to look at. So we're just cooking this one, and this is the one in gas. We're gonna get this inside. All right, so here's the pizza. Again, this one was cooked using gas. All right, so now that we got the wood going, we're gonna go ahead and get this pizza in. And we got a full flame going. I'm just gonna let it go. The pizza's looking pretty good. Nice roaring flame. Alright, seems to be cooking pretty quick. So you could also be the judge too of what's cooking faster, wood or gas. And just like that, this one's out, so let's get inside. Alright, so now that both pizzas are cooked and they're sitting here, not really so much a difference, but the main taste is going to be, can you taste the difference between gas or wood? So let's get into, I'm going to slide this one over real quick. We're going to get a cut into the gas pizza here. And again, if you made it this far, comment down below. Let me know what you think. All right, so I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna slide these back on. And it's not the appearance, again, it's just going to be the taste. So let's slide this one over. And again, this is the wood. And let's get this one right here. I'm just gonna go for the crust right away. So let's get our piece here. This again was cooked in the gas. Well, let's take a test. Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. Now let's get into the wood. Okay, so right off the bat, I don't really taste a huge difference. As far as like the crust and everything, there may be like a slight difference to the way that it cooks. You know, you may get a little bit of the smokiness, but not a lot. You really can't taste the difference. So I don't know, there's really not too much a difference. You guys let me know what you think, cooking with wood or cooking with gas. Again, there's different techniques to it. As far as the taste difference, I don't get really a huge difference, so you really couldn't tell. If someone put two pizzas in front of you, blindfolded you, you may not be able to tell the difference. But again, that's going to be up to you. Make that decision down below. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.